Kalabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan. We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, we were invited by Quickly. This is, for me, personally, this is the unusual, unconventional na refreshment store dito sa Angeles City.
Actually, kakaiba nga sila from the appearance itself. Napaka-kulay nila.
So, if you notice guys, ayun yung mga cups natin. So, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So, tara, let's go!
So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thanks so much Quickly Angeles City for inviting us. This one actually got really popular sa bandang South or sa Manila. And then this is the first branch dito sa Angeles City. They have really kumbaga, different approach in enjoying yung mga refreshments natin. Yes.
Actually, tingnan nyo naman sila. So, appearance pa lang. So, napaka-kulay.
Yes.
And napaka-interesting, di ba?
Actually, nag-start to sa Taiwan.
Yes.
Yan. So, alam naman natin guys na kumbaga, Taiwan is a trendsetter sa mga refreshments like yung mga milk teas. Again, if you notice, these are parang mga ice blends.
Yes.
So they have different add-ons like pudding, nata, pearls. And then sa mga flavors naman natin, I mean, grabe, they have a lot of flavors to.
Speaking of flavors, meron silang 13 series dito, which is yun yung mga titikman natin.
Alright, so first for me is their caramel. Yan. So let me give a parang good shake. Yan, para even out yung flavor natin dito.
Ako naman yung titikman ko is yung kanilang Power of 3.
Power of 3.
So this is one of their blended ice series. So this is a combination of green apple, lychee, and strawberry. Yan.
Wow. So actually, natikman ko na yung sa akin guys. So again, this is an alternative, plain and straightforward. So if it's caramel based flavor, most of the enjoyment is yung ganung flavor. I gotta move forward. Isa sa mga bestseller series nila dito is yung Taro bestsellers. Ayan. And then yung mga pudding natin has different flavors din. Different colors, different flavors. Has nata and pearls din. So pudding, actually, mix of jelly and
soya.
Soya. So, you got it from us?
So next ko naman titikman is yung kanilang Super Buko Pandan. So since ako, mahilig ako sa mga ganitong flavors. Yan.
Wow. Para sa akin guys, so yung Taro series nila, yung ice blend natin has almost consistency of an ice cream.
Yeah.
So on the other hand, syempre hindi siya cream based. The way you parang you enjoy it, it's almost like an ice cream. Ang first impression ko ay, what is this? Parang halo-halo?
Actually, kasi napakakulay niya.
Ang daming ingredients, ang daming sahog.
Yes. Yung feeling mo na talaga, you will totally refresh pag ininom mo siya. Napakalamig, napakalasa ng mga flavors, and ang sarap.
So more flavors guys, I wanna try this time is yung kanilang chocolate delight. Okay, let's taste it.
Ako naman yung kanilang bagong flavor, yung Cantaloupe Ice. So based on our orientation, yung Cantaloupe is a Taiwanese melon.
So let's talk about prices naman guys. If you check out their menu, as low as 65 pesos, you can get a refreshment here.
Tapos nag-add ka na lang for if you want to upgrade it or dagdagan yung mga add-ons.
You know what? My impression dito sa Quickly, so these are, in a Filipino comparison, para silang halo-halo, para sa akin na instead of you scoop it using a spoon or hinahalo mo siyang gano'n, you drink it with a straw.
Yes.
Para siyang gano'n. So it's
on-the-go desserts. Parang gano'n.
So this one naman is an assorted pudding. So this one's brown sugar syrup, yung pinaka-base refreshment, and then it has different pudding then. Of course, different flavors.
Ito yung parang upgraded na taho style.
Upgraded na taho, guys. Okay.
Siyempre sa mga mahilig naman sa mga tea, so this is a winter melon tea. Yan, with nata.
So yung refreshment natin dito, it's not too sweet. And then at the same time, at the end of every sip, para siyang merong oil essence. If you're on the healthy side, I think this is your option to, try dito pa sa Quickly.
taste ko naman, syempre, is yung kanilang super mango smoothie. So, this is part of their fruit shakes.
So, sa akin naman is yung super blueberry shake. And notice yung mga name tagging nila dito. When it's super, so para siyang, ang dami niyang add-ons.
Yes.
Ayan. How was it, bro?
Loaded add-ons.
Very fruity,
Very fruity siya. So, dito sa Quickly, so meron silang mga iba't ibang series din. So, just to mention, so meron silang Taro series, meron silang Blended Ice, Milk Tea, Choco Chills Bestsellers, Pudding Flavor Taho, meron din silang mga Coffee Jelly and Coffee Ice, meron din silang Fruit Shake, Fruity Yogurts, Tea Collections, meron din silang Ice Mocha, Buko Pandan, and Caramel series.
Caramel series, okay. So, siguro, just to give our impression,
yes.
Just like I said earlier, ito yung parang on-the-go na halo-halo or taho.
This is another alternative sa mga panlasa nyo, which you will surely enjoy, yung kanilang mga refreshments.
So, guys, if you are to ask me, which ones are you gonna order for me? Go for the taro.
Ako, for a fruity lover naman, I prefer yung Power of 3.
Dami pa, guys. So again, if you got interested with the refreshments,
Quickly Angeles is located dito sa may DMC building. Ang pinaka-landmark is yung Remedian Court.
Yeah, so this is just along MacArthur Highway, guys. Ang barangay natin is Ninoy, Aquino. Ayan.
So
in the near future, it's gonna be available sa mga partner couriers at mga food ordering apps natin.
So if you want to visit naman yung physical store nila, they are open from 10 a.m. up to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Wow! So yun, guys, another alternative, another option for you to try out. If you got used to with the usual frap, milk tea, this is another, refreshment for you to try. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Quickly. There you go, guys.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.